After a long hot summer, it's time for a complete seasonal switch up. Here are a few must-do jobs that are worth tackling now before it gets too cold. Gravel or slate can be a smart finish for driveways and walkways, but after a summer of fun, they can end up pretty patchy. The stones make their way into your lawn and flower beds, literally anywhere they don't belong. A Kärcher wet and dry vacuum cleaner is perfect for bringing back the wow factor. Simply hunt around your garden, vacuuming up lost gravel as you go. Then when you're done, empty it all back onto your path or drive. It's a dirty job, but someone's got to do it. Having cleaned out your bins, you're normally left with some foul-looking water, which is where the WD-3's wet pickup comes in very handy. Instead of tipping it down the drain, just use your Kärcher WD to suck up all the nasty water. There's a large capacity, so no need to worry too much about stopping to empty it. Now you've made a not so nice job a total cinch. Don't just put away your outdoor items, furniture and textiles, give them a good clean first. The WD-3's clever blower function can dislodge any dirt from hard to reach places, or use the nozzle to suck up cobwebs, clumps of mud or moss. Then the WD takes care of any residue water left lying around. Now you're sure to have the wow factor again next summer.